episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Right now we're at Tempestfreerunning Academy in South Lake, Texas, and it is a blast. We're enjoying everything and getting a workout in.
That's right.
But as you can see, Dr. Ross and I are sweaty right now, so we're going to get a shower after this. But we're going to keep it short and sweet. We'll see you on the next episode.
Parkour!
Parkour! Parkour!
Parkour! I'm right behind you, Andy! Come on!